YouTube. I'm back. I'm on this thing today. I just want to goddamn talk about some stuff. I just been watching a couple of videos, and I see that it's like people talking about the differences between starting your hair off short, your locks off short, and the difference between, starting your locks off short and long. I made that way harder than it should have been, but anyway. I have a feeling about this. Look. Now look, I agree on what one of my people said on here about how, you know what I'm saying, they start out their hair long and they already can do the shake thing and already put their hair in the ponytail. And the rest of us kind of got to go through a hard stage. Like, you know what I'm saying, we got to go through the hard stages or whatever. But what I'm trying to tell you is that for the most part, there is no difference. Okay, all right, let me look. Let me look at these examples. All right. You can look at, because it's only mostly females who do this. You can look at a female who's starting the natural fro stage, or the natural look. She's starting that natural look off, right? She had a perm in her hair at one point. She had to grow that out and then take the big chop. That was a journey in itself to get to that natural point. She grew her natural hair out to the point where now she wanted locks. She has her hair locked. She went through a journey too. It just wasn't all short, long hair and glory. And just because they got the locks on their hair was longer, they still went through an ugly stage, folks. Like, regardless, this natural thing is hard. It's not easy, you know what I'm saying? So you get a lot of people looking at you, oh, your hair nappy, all of this, that, whatever. So I'm going to tell you straight out like this. I had braids back in the day. Now, if I had still had braids when I was thinking about getting locks, I would have started my locks out. And my locks probably would have already been on my shoulders. They wouldn't have been locked. But you got to think about it. They still going through a journey too. They had on, from one of my friends, seeing him grow his locks when his hair was already long, it kind of seems like it's harder to lock it. It's harder to get your hair to lock when you know what I'm saying, got long hair. I don't know, you know what I'm saying. I'm not an expert or nothing on it, but I'm sitting here getting fucked. I'm sitting here smoking a cigarette, drinking beer. I'm about to, but I ain't gonna put that out there like that. But anyway, yeah, man, I'm just like, damn, man, don't come down so hard on the people with the starting their locks out long, because they went through a journey too, people. Like, they went through a journey too. Like, we need to stop that. We all in this natural journey. Like, locks and having a natural fro or whatever is natural considered, all of it is a natural journey. You don't realize that your locks are a natural journey. You're not doing much to them. You're not doing much to them at all. It's a natural process. Let the thing go ahead and do what it do. You know what I'm saying? So, they doing the same exact thing. I watched a couple of people's videos on here who have long locks, and they always complain about how their tips not locking and stuff like that. But they going through stuff, y'all. Like, they are going through a journey. It is no difference between a short lock journey and a long hair lock journey, because we still go through the struggles. We still, they didn't get a chance to go through the locks being short, but I'm pretty sure they had a fro that was short. And any of y'all like me should understand that. My house phone ringing at the weirdest time. Okay. Y'all know how that is to have a fro. And just the fro just ugly. Like, to me, a fro did not fit me. Like, a fro did not fit me unless the fro big. It did not fit me, and trust me, my fro was very, very little. Very, very little. I started out about 1 inch with my hair, and I do feel good that I started on my lock journey at a short length of hair, but, excuse me, that was rude. But still, though, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't hold nothing against anybody who starts their locks out longer. It's just how they decided to do it. I mean, come on, people. But anyway, I ain't had too much to say on here. I just wanted to make a little quick rant about that. I mean, because it don't really matter. We all in this lock journey together. You know, we're a community out here. It's a lock community. Like, I ain't even seen no, I had shortcut waves. Ain't nobody care about that. If anything, people hated on your waves. Like, oh, you think you'll have your waves spinning, whatever. But this lock journey, everybody just give you love or whatever. You know what I'm saying? They just give you love. It's all love and appreciation. I'm just saying, like, we gotta accept these people who starting to grow their locks at the long length too, y'all. I mean, they in that too. Like, they in this dread nation too, y'all. Alright. Till my 7-month update, I will holler at y'all. Let something else come up that I want to talk about on here. I just do this because I like talking dead ass. But anyway, VA, stand up. Peace.